Good morning, Seika. Good day, Seika. Hey, come here. Face here. Seika is shy. She knows. Okay, what's this? Hello, viewers. Okay, what's this? The bat, the bramble, and the seagull. Huh? Let's read. Fable. A bat, a bramble, and a seagull once fancied themselves as businessmen and dreamed of being rich. They went into partnership and decided to go on a trading voyage together. The bat borrowed some money for the trip. The bramble brought a stack of clothes, and the seagull gathered an amount of lead, and so they set out. They loaded a ship with their cargo and sailed away. By and by they sailed into a great storm. The wind buffeted the boat, and the waves battered it until great holes appeared. The boat, with all the cargo, sank to the bottom of the sea. Luckily, the three travelers managed to stay afloat and were washed onto the shore. Ever since then, the seagull flies to and fro over the sea, and every now and then dives below the surface looking for the lead he's lost. The bat is so afraid of meeting the moneylenders he borrowed from that he hides away by day and only comes out at night. And the bramble catches hold of the clothes of everyone who passes by, hoping someday to recognize and recover its lost garments. People care more about recovering what they have lost than acquiring what they lack. Don't. Itchy. Bye bye, viewers. See you the next vlog. See you the next vlog. Bye bye. Bye bye.